In this video, we're going to walk you through how to install Google Ads Tracking in Housecall Pro, a powerful software that simplifies operations for service-based businesses. If you're new to Housecall Pro and want to set up Google Ads Tracking efficiently, stick around as I show you step by step how to do this without any confusion. Before we dive in, if you're new to Housecall Pro, you're in luck. You can try this software completely free through the first link in the description below, and on top of that, I've got some exclusive bonuses just for you. So stay tuned. Now let's get into the setup. First, let's quickly talk about what Housecall Pro is and how it connects to Google Ads. Housecall Pro is an all-in-one platform designed for service businesses, from scheduling jobs to tracking your finances. When you add Google Ads Tracking, you're taking your marketing strategy to the next level by connecting your leads directly to your campaigns, allowing you to see exactly how your ads are performing. To start, you'll need to log in to your Housecall Pro account. Once you're in, go to the Settings menu, which is usually located in the bottom left of your screen. Here you'll find a section called Marketing, and under that, look for Google Ads Integration. This is where you'll begin the process of setting up tracking. Click on Google Ads Integration and make sure you have a Google Ads account set up already. If you don't, you'll need to create one through Google's Ads platform. Once that's ready, you'll be prompted to enter your Google Ads tracking information into Housecall Pro. This includes your Google Ads tracking ID, which you can find in your Google Ads account under Tools, and Measurement, then Conversion Tracking. Next, you'll copy the tracking code that Google gives you and paste it into the tracking section on Housecall Pro. This step ensures that whenever someone fills out a lead form or calls you after clicking on your Google Ads, you'll be able to track the conversion and monitor how well your ads are performing. After entering the tracking ID, it's crucial to set up your conversion goals correctly in Google Ads to measure everything from form submissions to phone calls, depending on what's most relevant to your business. Make sure to match these goals with the corresponding actions in Housecall Pro so you can keep everything aligned. Now, I know you're probably wondering how to track these conversions effectively. It's simple. Once everything is linked, Housecall Pro automatically tracks your customer interactions coming from your Google Ads campaigns, making it easy to see which ads bring in the most qualified leads. You can check this directly within your Housecall Pro dashboard. To make sure everything is working, test the tracking by submitting a test lead through one of your Google Ads campaigns and check if it appears in Housecall Pro. If you've done everything correctly, you should see that lead inside your Housecall Pro dashboard, and this confirms that your Google Ads tracking is set up properly. It's that simple. By connecting Google Ads with Housecall Pro, you now have a robust system that lets you optimize your advertising spend and track your return on investment in real time. Not only does this help you stay organized, but it also empowers you to make data-driven decisions for your business. To wrap up, remember, you can try Housecall Pro for free through the first link in the description below, along with some exclusive bonuses. And with the Google Ads tracking fully integrated, you'll be able to refine your marketing strategy with ease. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit the link below to start your free trial and level up your marketing today.